loud, it's low, and it's unapologetically American. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 isn't just a sports car, it's a statement. If you're into naturally aspirated power, track-ready precision, and everyday drivability, this one deserves your attention. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, and today, we're diving into Chevy's sharpest weapon yet. Design. From the outside, the Z06 screams performance. Wider fenders, an aggressive front splitter, massive side intakes, and a rear wing that means business. It's all function, but it also looks stunning. The proportions are exotic, the stance is planted, and the whole thing feels more supercar than muscle car. And yes, it still turns heads, even parked. Performance. At the heart of the Z06 is the crown jewel, a 5.5-litre flat-plane crank V8, pushing over 670 horsepower. No turbos, no hybrid, just pure screaming power that revs to 8,600 RPM. It's a track-day monster that still plays nice on the street. With the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and magnetic ride suspension, you get razor-sharp response with just enough comfort for daily use. Features and tech. Inside, the Z06 balances luxury and focus. A digital cockpit, performance data recorder, customizable drive modes, and a premium Bose sound system bring tech and refinement to the experience. The latest version of Chevy's infotainment system is intuitive, fast, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Track tools, absolutely. But creature comforts? Also there. Conclusion. The 2026 Z06 isn't just about speed. It's about delivering the kind of performance that used to cost triple the price. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-on track junkie, this Corvette might just be the best value in high-performance driving today. What do you think? Has Chevy nailed it? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more sharp takes on the latest cars and bikes. See you in the next one.